One today. We've got the old bin here. It's missing the pin that holds the lid shut on. So one day it's going to end up inside the bin. So what Kim suggested, we'll see if we can find a 3D file and print a replacement one for it. Let's go see what we can find. So we've got the Colts 3D. This is like a free file. It looks like it's the right thing for our bin, so we're going to print it out and see if it works. The printer we're going to use, it's a Kingroon KP5L. I've had this a couple of years now. It was relatively cheap at the time. It does like about a foot by a foot by a foot. 30 centimeters cubed. So yeah, it needs a bit of a clean, but yeah, so we'll get our file up and get it printing. Let's go through here. There's a stack of files on this stick. There it is, KK pin. There's a file we just found. Go confirm, and that will start printing. So there's our finished product. It's pretty cool how you can actually just make this part at home yourself. Yeah, hopefully we get to get off here without breaking it. What we'll do, we've got somewhere here, we've got a spatula. And it's one-handed. There it goes, that's off. Right, so we got our bit, got a hammer. Let's see how this goes. Quick bit of tap in. There you go. Fix the bin with a homemade part. Yeah, tomorrow night it's midnight, so we'll see how it goes tomorrow. That's how I go at making a replacement part for our bin. So hopefully it keeps on working, but we'll report back, see how it goes.